This video will help you to evaluate derivatives and definite integrals on the FX991CW. You will find the key steps on the screen and I will demonstrate them live. We will start with differentiation. The gradient of a curve at a given point is calculated by the first derivative of the function. In the Calculate app, press the Catalog key and choose Function Analysis, the first option. Now choose Derivative d by dx. Enter the function into the derivative, remembering to use the dedicated X key and to scroll out of the index when entering the subsequent terms. Now scroll right to enter the x-coordinate of the tangent to the curve, which is 2. Press the Execute key to complete the calculation. The gradient of the curve at x equals 2 is 9. You can also enter the function in memory. Press the Function key and choose Define f of x. I have already input the function. Press OK when it is complete. To evaluate the derivative of f of x, choose Derivative from the catalogue in the same way as before. And this time enter the function f of x. To press this, press the Function key and choose f of x. As you are evaluating the derivative with respect to x, enter the variable x using the dedicated key and close the bracket. Right scroll to enter the x-coordinate of the point and press the Execute key to evaluate. If you are using ClassPad.net to demonstrate the calculator as I am, you can show the function and its tangent. I have already plotted these over here on the right. You can see that at x equals 2, the tangent has a gradient 9, which was calculated from the derivative. Now let's look at integration. To calculate a definite integral, press the Catalog key and choose Function Analysis as before. This time, scroll down to Integration. You can either enter the function directly or use the stored function. I will use the stored function by pressing the Function key and choosing f of x. My variable is x, so I enter that and close the bracket. Now scroll down to enter the lower limit, which in our case is -1. Try to use the negation key for negative numbers. Scroll up to the upper limit, which in our case is 3/2, so press the fraction key and enter the fraction. Now press the Execute key to evaluate the integral, which is given as a fraction. You can convert it to a decimal with the Format key and choosing Decimal. ClassPad.net can also display the value of the integral as the area under the curve, as we see here. This is between the lower and the upper limits, which are also summarized below the plot here. I think it's worth spending some time mastering how to use derivatives and integrals, including using function memory. So why not give it a go?